My name is Matt and welcome to my channel, The Collector's Cave. Today we're in the Matt Cave, as we lovingly call it here, and today we're going to be opening some Pokemon packs. A little bit about me: I'm an Australian who has been interested in Pokemon pretty much his whole life, ever since he could remember. Recently have gotten into opening packs again, so I thought I'm going to open them anyway. Might as well take you along with the journey and see what we get. I do things a bit differently. I collect everything I get. If we pull an expensive card, that's great. That's not the purpose of what I do it for. I like to complete sets. I like the innocence behind opening packs. It just takes me back to when I was a kid. A little bit of nostalgia. So yeah, let's just have fun. Today we're going to be opening Surging Sparks Booster Bundle. Now, the best cards to get in this, according to the internet, are these. See if I can figure out editing. So yeah, the card I'm chasing personally, the Latios Illustration Art. That is a beautiful card, or the Alolan Executor EX. Both beautiful cards. Don't care about the price. I personally like them, but I'm currently trying to complete this set. So any card I get that I don't have, much appreciated. But I collect every single card. So let's have some fun. Baby. Cute. Not bad, not bad. Very cool. That was pack 1. In the Surging Sparks, we have 56 packs to open altogether. We got a booster box as well. We have multiple random packs. Alrighty, let's see how we go. Whoop. Just throwing them around. Runs on. Drillbearer. Magnemite. Oh, nice. Nice. 4. Love that. You can count. Fantastic on. Okay. That's alright. Go there. Do. Alright. I remember doing this when I was a little kid. It's funny, when you're a kid, you don't understand what they're going to be worth in the future. If only you had hindsight as a kid, you got these just to play with them. Yeah, upside down again. Not too bad. Alright. We love it. We love it. What else would you rather be doing? I was going to tell my wife the other day that when I was a kid, I had a hollow base set Gyarados that I love so much. I actually traded for. I loved it so much I kept it in my wallet for years. Okay, last pack luck. Whatever. Alright, I can feel it. Something big's coming. Phoebus. That's a cute card. I always thought it was a cute card. Ooh, nice. Nice. Last pack magic. That was episode 1. Really happy with this pull. Beautiful card. Come back for next time. We've still got a lot of packs left. We've got that back, all these here. We do have some Destined Rivals coming, as well as a couple of mystery boxes. So I'll see you next time.